OnlyFans tips so you can make more money on OnlyFans. So what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to go over how you can make more money on OnlyFans outside of just a subscription price. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe down below, give the video a thumbs up because it absolutely helps the channel. And if you need any type of OnlyFans services, promotional services, coaching services, Twitter or Reddit growth services, definitely reach out to me on Instagram. My direct Instagram link is always in the video description down below. Send me a DM so I can help you grow your business. So if you had seen my prior video about should you have a free OnlyFans page or a paid subscription OnlyFans page, I go over the pros and cons to each page. But regardless if you have a free page or you have a paid subscription page, there is so many ways for you to actually make money on the OnlyFans platform outside of just a subscription price. And I go in detail with that with my coaching and mentoring clients because there is actually 13 different ways that you can make money on OnlyFans, and I'm going to be giving you a few of those secret tips in this video right now. So the first one that I want to speak about is something that many people do know, but a lot of newbies don't. I was actually just on a coaching call this morning with one of my new clients, and they just opened up their business about a week ago, and we were going over a lot of the ways they can make money, and I had asked them, do you know what PPVs are? And they said no, and it really kind of hit me that, you know what, a lot of people don't understand the concept yet, so I wanted to make a video about this. So PPVs, guys, are pay-per-view content, which means what? Regardless if you have a free page or you have a paid page, this is content that you would send to your fans locked for a price. And this is a great way to make more money on the platform. This is where you can really send those exclusive videos or those full-length videos for a price that they have access to and they need to pay to see it. So outside of just getting, a subscription price, you can now sell some of your most exclusive content on your page with a PPV or locked message. If you have a free page, you should absolutely be doing this with all of your content. But even with a paid page, if you give discounted rates for a paid subscription page, you should absolutely be doing this with your full-length videos. Now, some bonus information. My clients always ask me about what they should be charging these PPV content. So I like to kind of have a nice in the middle range where, depending if it's going to be a picture package or a full-length video, you want something in the middle. You don't want to underprice your content, but you don't want to overprice it either where you're not going to get any conversions. So anywhere from about $6 to $18 is a great range to price your content. Now, please keep in mind, if it's a full-length video, you are going to charge a little bit higher. If it's just a couple of pictures in a picture package, it's going to be on the lower range of that. Next up is custom content. So custom content is a great way to make more money on your page, and it really helps you connect with your fans as well because you are making content that is customized to them and is tailored to them and specifically for them. So really marketing that you are making custom content for your fans on your page is a great way to make extra money on your OnlyFans page. And a little bonus tip also about pricing for custom content. Custom content should not start any less than $25 for anything that you're doing. So if it is starting from a 1-minute video or a 5-picture package, bundle, you should minimally starting it at $25. And then the more that they want, or the more customized and tailored that it is, your prices should be going up in increments of $10. So if you have a free page doing locked posts, or if you have a paid page doing a fundraiser on your posts. So either way, you are going to be having some type of post that is going to be generating you more money. Again, this morning, having that coaching call with my client, they have a free page and a paid page. And when I went and audited their free page, they had no locked posts on that page. And this is a great way to just continuously make money on your page while new fans are coming in. And then when I went onto their paid page, did an audit on that, and was giving them the information that they need to really succeed and make more money even on that paid page, I went over how to set up a fundraiser on your post and really entice the fans that you have to tip on your post and to contribute to your fundraiser. Lastly, for this video is going on lives. So lives is a great way to make more money on your OnlyFans page, as your fans have the option to leave you tips while you are doing your lives. And when you are on your lives, do not be shy to tell your fans to leave you tips during your live feeds, so that way they are more enticed and reminded to leave you a tip so you can make more money. And if you want to learn the other 8 ways that you can really make money on OnlyFans, reach out to me so we can hop on a coaching call and I can teach you all of the ways that high earning models make real money outside of a subscription on their OnlyFans pages. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time.